Good morning student, myself Care Singh from Javtri Academy. Today we will discuss class 12 subject BST chapter 3rd business environment. So firstly we'll discuss business environment refers to force factors individual and institution which are outside the control of business enterprises, but these may affect its performance. So business environment have been different types of forces, different types of factors. Those have been helpful for the enhancement of business and individual and the institution. Those have been different types of controlling have been outside to a person. So this is helpful for the increasement of the performance. It will be effective, it will be provide the effect of the performance. So business environment in is surrounding different types of factors: economic, social, political, technological and legal. Those all those factors have been enhance the business environment. Those have been affect the business environment that are outside the control of business enterprises. And different types of factors have been effective on the controlling have been outside of the business enterprises that may affect its performance. It also helpful for the giving the effect of performance. If those have been supportive, the performance will be enhanced. If those have been not supportive, the performance will be decreased. For example, customer, competitor, government. If the customer have been supportive and customer have been helpful for that particular product, a customer faith on that particular product, thereafter the company will take more and more profit. If the competitor have been give a big challenge, that's why the company cannot take more and more profit. And the government have been make very liberal policy, very easy policy. Those have been also enhance the profit or the more and more production level. So thereafter, environment scanning. Complete awareness and understanding of business environment is called scanning. So the complete awareness means all the information about the customer, product, competitor and different types of other factors. Those have been effect of our business. So full awareness, full knowledge about the product is very important for any types of environment scanning. Business environment provide constant as well as opportunities for the businessman. The different every business environment have been provide different types of opportunities for the businessman to enhance their own business, and he will connect to the person. If for example the regulations such as MRTP Act, wealth restriction put constant on the businessman. Different types of trade act, wealth tax, wealth restriction will be helpful and supportive. Thereafter the businessman and the organization will be more and more profitable. In other words, liberalization policies, import relaxation policies, opportunities for the businessman have been also helpful. If the policy have been more liberal, more easy, thereafter business can be enhanced more and more, business can be more profitable. If import relaxation have been provided by the government, thereafter the business also have been more and more profitable, and the businessman have also get more and more profit. Okay, thank you very much.